Compute 1 by square root of 14 using Newton-Raphson iterative formula. Since we wish to find out 1 by square root of 14, we have to first select the first approximation x naught. We have 16 is the nearest perfect square to 14, and hence we have x naught equals 1 by root of 16, which equals 1 by 4, which is 0.25 will be the first approximation. If you were to calculate 1 by root of 26, then you would have selected x naught equals 1 by root of 25, which equals 1 by 5. That is, first approximation will be that value which is much near to the given value as well as easy to compute and familiar to us. In order to compute 1 by square root of real number capital N, we have by Newton-Raphson formula xn plus 1 equals 1 by 2 times xn plus 1 by n times xn. Here in this formula, when you give n equals 0, you get x1 equals 1 by 2 times x naught plus 1 by 14 times x naught, where x naught equals 0.25. Hence we obtain x1 equals 0.26785. When you give n equals 1, in this formula you get x2 equals 1 by 2 times x1 plus 1 by 14 times x1, where x1 equals 0.26785. Thus you obtain x2 equals 0.267218. We have x3 equals 1 by 2 times x2 plus 1 by 14 times x2, where x2 equals 0.2672618, which will give us x3 equals 0.2672612. With these approximations x0, x1, x2 and x3, we have obtained 1 by square root of 14 equals 0.2673. Since the value after 2 is 6, which is greater than 5, we have rounded this value as 3.